What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. Welcome to my channel once again. Today, guys, I'll be breaking down in a much easier way of trading the GBP USD. As you know, GBP USD is one of the major currency pairs. So let's dive deeper into the charts. I'm gonna be making this as short and as simple to your understanding as someone who is a beginner and someone who's never got involved into forex trading. So let's look at what we are currently seeing now. I'm gonna start with weekly time frame. By me starting with the higher time frame, as you know that we always use the reverse pyramid. We start from a higher time frame, analyzing, then we start going down to our execution time frame. So I want you guys to understand what has been happening here. You can see just by looking on higher time frame, we had an uptrend here. This was an uptrend. You can see this was an uptrend going all the way up. Now we have a downtrend which pushed as you can see, we are having these moves, and you understand that within this move we have the very same corrections. So you have to understand where you are in the market and be able to understand where you can simply take your actions. So now I can see that we are having this type of scenarios. Then I will draw my chart patterns to cater for this. The very same chart patterns that you are catering for must align, and also make sure that you are able to cater them from week to week. Then another one will be this one. So you can see by the break of this, we managed to push down to reach the 90% rule, even this one as well. Our 90% rule is here. And then this 90% rule will be here. Another one, this one. So you can see you taking your things, but obviously we would have started it here because you can see we have another pattern within the pattern here, which gave us a more valid nature that coming from here before start breaking the bigger structure. And another one here, but we would have started. So you see we have a double top. Then use this. So now we just want to see where we are currently. So I've shown you the method of understanding. So now we're gonna start with which I remove everything, and then I'm gonna type point, which is this one, and then a low point currently will be this one. You can see the market has started to reject this area. You can see. So simply nothing here. So we might as well say this is our starting of a trend, or this is our lowest. But you must always remember the market won't always show you that it's indeed reversing, because there's a potential downward coming to this, taking out the people who have bought and then further move to the upside. Okay, as you can see here, we had something similar. You can see this is what was happening. We had a upward move, and then many people thought we are reversing, and it came back, created a double up here. You can see, so it's possible that you can come and create a double bottom here before we can say now we are shooting to the upside. Okay, something like this is really possible. Something like this actually possible. So let's look at what is happening going down to higher time frame, and time frame which is the daily. By me looking at this, I can see we are actually pushing up, but we are pushing up in a corrective manner. Look what is currently happening here. Because we are having this nature here. Similar pattern here, but subsequent to that, I would say my decider here already can see that the push up will have to give us a retest before we push to the downside. And then if we fail to push with an impulsive move, then we must expect this kind of situation. Understand? So this is what I'll be looking at. But let's look at what is currently happening now. You can see we have a bearish for one daily candle. So let's move further closer. I'm on H4 now. Expected moves. Touch here will be the third touch, I would say. So third touch is to take it to 1, 2, 3. So we can expect the move to the upside. Then this move is possible that it can break this and then push to the upside, like this will come here, because you already into reach this third touch level. So it's no point in putting this here. So now we can just adjust it and put it here and say, okay, fine. It's possible that this move can break and then eventually give us this move that we are expecting. So now let's look at what is currently happening. I'm gonna 1 hour. The main reason why this started to push to the downside, you can see, is because of this. As I mentioned, that we are having, we are pushing up, but in a, we are pushing up in a corrective manner. Pushing up. So it's possible that you can have this scenario. So like you can have this type of thing, because we are actually squeezing price, and then once we start squeezing price, it will break impulsively to the downside, or if it rejects here, it will push to the upside. So let's go. So what we are looking at, you here. Yes. We are actually having this type of formation. You can see it's a rising wedge. We came in from the top, we starting to squeeze here, and you can see it's possible that we don't reach the end of this, but you can see we reach this high here. In the top is 3 touches, and then at the bottom you can 2, 3, 4. On the 4th touch it was broken. Sometimes it gets broken on the 3rd touch. So because you must always remember, it's not always gonna book trades. You can see here we are having 2 touches. 1, 2. So this is still below this. You can see that this is still holding this be our 3rd touch, because you can see that it's being rejected. Understand? Sometimes you have those double top formation that comes like this. They don't like this. You understand? So there's a gap here, but it's still regarded because price is rejecting this level. Okay. Now let's look at what is currently happening, and then on the bottom, this possible that you can expect to push. Just have to see how the market respects these levels here. So this one, as I've mentioned, this was the reason. See what we are having here. This is coming as an impulse move, then then expecting another push. Understand? So currently I'll be expecting a correction before we push further to the downside. It will be this one. Then I'll be making use of this. With this. You can see this point here, and also just for confirmation, I can apply my feed just to see where that price should eventually turn, or where. Just use this. You can see 61.8 is around here. So if we use this, in the past you put your stop loss above this high, but sometimes it breaks this high, something like this, but it reverses just before, or it taps into 61.8 prospect. So I will safely put my ends here, then I can know that okay, the market should give me correction before they push. So this is what we'll be expecting on GBPUSD. I hope that was informative. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and families. Catch me in the next video. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. Peace.